Hello doers, welcome back to our channel Devintelle. Today we will see how to configure category to the project and how to assign category to the projects via projects module. You can see here our module, their project category. First install this module, so click on this activate button. Now our module is installable. First go to projects, go to configuration menu and see here this menu project category. Now create new. First I create education and its code is edu. Second is e-commerce and this code is ECM. Let's save. Now go to projects, go to anyone and see here is category. I did create total to education and e-commerce, so display here too. Now I want to select education. Let's save. Now go to list view and see here this category. Select. So see here I did add category education for this home construction project. So easily display here. Thank you.